Hey guys, in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set an invisible username on Discord. It's super easy and you don't need to download anything. First, open your browser and go to a website that lets you copy a blank or invisible character. A common one is a Unicode blank text generator. Once you're there, find the blank character section and copy it to your clipboard. Now open Discord and click the gear icon at the bottom to go into your user settings. Inside Settings, click on Edit Username. In the username box, delete your current name and then paste the blank character you copied earlier. Discord will let you save it as long as you type your password to confirm. After saving, your username will appear completely blank to everyone on Discord. It won't show any text. It'll just look invisible. This works on both the desktop app and mobile app. If it doesn't work the first time, make sure you copied the actual invisible character and not an empty space, because spaces won't work. Once you paste the right blank character, it should be accepted. And that's it. You've now got an invisible username on Discord that makes your profile stand out and look unique.